why privacy activists worries about the Facebook's acquisition of WhatsApp? Go ahead.
Good afternoon, my lord. This is Khazana. Today we are here to give our views about the topic why privacy activists worries about the acquisition of Facebook acquisition of WhatsApp. Actually, recently, on February 19, 2014, Facebook acquired WhatsApp. But some privacy activists are worrying about the privacy of WhatsApp. Because in recent days, coming to WhatsApp, there is a lot of privacy for WhatsApp. We can share videos, messages, everything we can have on WhatsApp. But coming to privacy, Facebook, it is not, there is no guarantee for privacy in Facebook. So, after the acquisition, many actors are thinking that if you, there is privacy problem after acquisition of WhatsApp in Facebook.
Guarantee of privacy. WhatsApp is a mostly more popular in India. WhatsApp is messaging, messages, more images, content, in a gigantic global database, names, conversation, videos, and $2 software. One is electronic information center and the center of digital democracy. In this two softwares, no third party. We do not know. No ads is personal, personal activities.
Yeah, as far as privacy comparing to Facebook, privacy is more to WhatsApp. But whereas in social activities, for example, social activities are awareness purpose, we most use Facebook. Even though privacy is not there, but Facebook is using most of us. But in case of users, Facebook are only users are more by comparing with WhatsApp. Only the privacy point is only the main thing in WhatsApp. But regarding all the WhatsApp, Facebook is the only main thing as of my point of view.
But here coming to WhatsApp, we are discussing about the privacy. For WhatsApp privacy, a lot of privacy is there. But in 2009 also we received complaints about Facebook that it sells its information. Whatever the people who are using Facebook, Facebook is sending that information to other services, advertising services. Now WhatsApp is acquired with Facebook. Then what is the guarantee that Facebook sells information of WhatsApp also? In WhatsApp we have so many numbers. There is a repository.
As per my point of view, WhatsApp is more privacy than Facebook, because in WhatsApp only our contact with mobile contacts only it will reach our matter application, and so WhatsApp is more secrecy than Facebook.
See here, the application is not for the number of users. See here, the number of users in the case of Facebook is more than comparing with WhatsApp. But even though the Facebook is acquiring means, that is the main thing is that the WhatsApp is now at present is growing. Comparing with Facebook, the WhatsApp is growing more. That's why the Facebook is acquiring that WhatsApp.
But it is acquiring, it's correct. But why Facebook is acquiring WhatsApp means these days users of WhatsApp are more compared to Facebook.
No, Facebook
is getting down day by day. If you observe statistics, then users of Facebook are getting down and users of WhatsApp are growing day by day. Then if here we are discussing about privacy. For coming to Facebook, there is no privacy guarantee of Facebook, because there are so many complaints about the Facebook. They sell their information, whatever the users uploaded in Facebook, they are selling that information.
By using Facebook in social activities, other entertainment activities, awareness purpose, use all the general youth more using Facebook. But in the case of WhatsApp, there is like Bluetooth. They're like Bluetooth. For example, if you send the small pictures or if you send the small messages, they only look at WhatsApp. What about Facebook? Your Facebook contains many activities like shares, like.
Yeah, in FB the activities is there, but you can post anything. That's all. See total FB accounters. FB is very easy, very good, but advantages are is there, disadvantages are more. Disadvantages is there. Your your FB account is I am also hacking. Your password also I know from hacking. That's why Facebook is now downing. WhatsApp is growing.
In Facebook also there is a privacy setting, but how much you keep privacy? We can download at least pics and etc. WhatsApp it is privacy about only contacts, mobile contacts or friends.
And Facebook got so many copyrights, and if you observe, in 2013 it got all its copyrights. It can copy the data, information from any other social activity. Then now WhatsApp is merged with Facebook. Then what is the guarantee? Then it also can copy the information from WhatsApp. Whatever videos and messages uploaded in WhatsApp by users, then Facebook can collect that information, and it can share that information with other advertising companies, and it can get more profits. Because it got so many copyrights, it can copy from anywhere. That's the main problem.
Yeah, but here our topic is only regarding privacy.
Yes,
But
yes.
Facebook and WhatsApp.
Yeah.
You know, all of that said that privacy is main thing means the WhatsApp is have got a privacy comparing with Facebook. But instead of privacy, privacy, Facebook is. I thought Facebook is a more important element other than the WhatsApp.
So Facebook is important for other things. Facebook is important for WhatsApp. We are using for only mobile we can use. But we are discussing about privacy. If WhatsApp is merged with Facebook, then I think the privacy of WhatsApp will be lost if after existence of Facebook.
Recently, I have seen in web when Facebook has requested the WhatsApp, 300 icons are entered for hacking the WhatsApp contacts to pages.
My point of view, Facebook is better. But WhatsApp is only mobiles. Facebook are mobile and internet systems. Anywhere, any place you can. Facebook and also video calling is always there. That's why Facebook is my point of view better.
Facebook is better, but there is no privacy.
That's why only privacy means so privacy only one. Okay. After anywhere, Facebook is better.
Facebook is better, I accept that, but there is no privacy guarantee of Facebook.
Privacy means under settings on the
Privacy settings will be there, but at least he can see our Facebook clearly. Other person hacking person.
Facebook advertising purpose is good.
There are 400 members who are hacking Facebook accounts. Now WhatsApp also merged with Facebook, right? Then that 400 hackers can hack the WhatsApp accounts also. By using that number, they can get repository of numbers from WhatsApp, because it is acquired with Facebook. The people whoever are hacking Facebook account, they can hack WhatsApp accounts also easily. They can share the information with other services. There is no privacy for WhatsApp.
My point of view, Facebook is a social activities. Privacy in the pictures and data information used in privacy. WhatsApp better than to Facebook. Facebook is the main advantage. Want to information hide to some people's are there. Some people's present situation technology to hiding to open a privacy code, open see in the data.
Facebook is my point of view. Facebook is bigger than WhatsApp, but in privacy, WhatsApp is maintained clearly.
Regarding the point of view as a users.
Yeah.
Coming to privacy issues also, they are considering some factors. Facebook never keep its promises. It promised WhatsApp then that it won't share its information, whatever the information of WhatsApp. But Facebook has track record of not keeping its promises. Then how can it promise to WhatsApp that there will be no hacking for WhatsApp information. But there is record of Facebook that it's not keeping its promises. Then how can it keep its promises that there will be no hacking of WhatsApp information?
No, at present time the technology is improving. After not now, after next month or next year, the hackers will come to the WhatsApp also.
Yeah, that's all.
Agree that words.
Yeah.
WhatsApp is only
On that time,
Facebook,
on that time that WhatsApp also lost its privacy.
Yeah.
On that time, so the technology improving day by day. No? That's my point.
WhatsApp now, why? Because privacy. First Facebook not hacking. Now only hacking. That's why WhatsApp after 1 year or 2 years technology improved. That time privacy not secure.
Yeah, I agree with both of you. That's what I'm saying. There is hacking on Facebook. Now WhatsApp is acquired with Facebook means there will be hacking for WhatsApp also. Previously there is no hacking for
Present
WhatsApp.
okay. After there are towards this,
Yeah, there will be hacking for WhatsApp also.
WhatsApp.
Present there is no hacking in WhatsApp. There is no such information that about hacking of WhatsApp. There is no such information. Coming to Facebook, there is much information of hacking. There are 400 per day. They are hacking Facebook information. Coming to WhatsApp, it is acquired with Facebook means it will get hacked in future.
See, there is a 400 hackers means the users of Facebooks are more. That's why 400. Here the users of WhatsApp is very low. That's why the percentage is very less by comparing with Facebook. That's why the percentage, the amount of percentage is very less. Here, in this situation, the by comparing with Facebook and WhatsApp is a Facebook is a more privacy than WhatsApp. Here, my point of view from here onwards, because Facebook is acquired WhatsApp now. From here onwards, the Facebook is jointly took on both privacies from Facebook and WhatsApp.
WhatsApp is only one person to one person is a communication. Facebook also, every person also see information. Many persons are see there. The privacy mainly present situation. Facebook privacy hiding and information hiding. WhatsApp is a only number to number open, only one person to one person communication. That is privacy. Facebook not is a sufficient to privacy code.
Before Facebook is acquiring the WhatsApp, there is no hacking in WhatsApp. But when Facebook is acquiring the WhatsApp, there is increasing little bit by WhatsApp hacking.
Coming to WhatsApp, there is no record of hacking. It starts 2013, but till now there is no record. But coming to Facebook, from its if we take from its existence, there is record of and there are so many complaints from its existence. There are so many complaints about Facebook, like it's not maintaining its privacy actually.
See, there is no record means the consumers are using the consumers are very less. That's why there is no record. So comparing Facebook, there are a lot of users by using that Facebook. That's why by comparing with WhatsApp, the ratio is more here Facebook.
The users of WhatsApp are increasing day by day. And per day, by using WhatsApp, 10 billion messages are 10 billion messages are delivered and 400 million pictures are shared. Then how can we say that users of WhatsApp are less? Because it started last year only. That's why users are less. But coming to improvement, WhatsApp is increasing more than Facebook. There is a lot of improvement for WhatsApp only.
Facebook can use anywhere, but WhatsApp is not support to all mobiles. So users are low.
Here I want to conclude that coming to Facebook, there are so many complaints from its existence. There is culture, Facebook culture is different from WhatsApp culture. And WhatsApp never share information with any other services like advertisement services. But coming to Facebook, it shares every information the people are loading in Facebook. It is sharing with other advertisement services and social services, social activities. But WhatsApp never share its information with any other people. Acquisition is done. Acquisition of WhatsApp is done with Facebook. I think there will be no privacy guarantee for WhatsApp also after the acquisition with Facebook.
My conclusion is WhatsApp is a mostly fastly messages download and messages to better than Facebook to better than WhatsApp. Privacy is see that Facebook better.
As per my point of view, WhatsApp is better than Facebook for privacy purpose.
Before I conclude my session, I am agree with Azana. As per privacy point of view, WhatsApp is better than Facebook. But as per social activities awareness purpose, Facebook are more important than the WhatsApp. This is my point.
And also